Scott? Hey, Xander.
Yeah.
Did I teach you how to play with fire?
Yes, that's great.
I taught Xander how to
Unless I can't see.
heat and quench. I'm sending that picture to your grandfather. He's gonna be like, "What's he doing?" Fire.
There you go. Good and hot. And make sure you get the sauce on the threads.
Xander's got the cam bolt out. Take a little pry bar and pop that timing chain off. We can get that out of our way. All right. Just work it around because it's got to come off this dowel pin. Work it, girl. Dude, look at that. Which X does that remind you of, Bernsey? You gonna plead the fifth?
Mm-hmm.
Does it start with an S or an N?
Ouch, bro.
That reminds me of one that starts with a C, but still lives in this continent. Not, yeah. The other one with a C. That was.
See that?
Hey, because we were kind of banging sisters at that time. Does that make the nanner kind of the same?
Take the wheel off.
Yeah. Duh.
Yeah, that's one of those plastic ones.
Yeah. That's not all eaten as shit,
That's true.
but it's wore the fuck out. But look at. Yeah, usually these are
Cracked.
grenaded. This one's actually in. The teeth are in decent shape.
Hey, if you want that, $9.99 plus shipping.
This is a souvenir. Okay, so that's out. Done. Okay. Now take the bolt that you pulled out of that, put it back in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, stick it in. Oh yeah, Daddy, right there. Nothing. Bernsy's back, by the way, which is good. Guess who's back?
Back
again. Bernsy's back.
Still not
Tell
awake
some men.
again.
Oh, that too.
What? That escalated quickly.
All right, get your rache on that. Rache. Sachet. Rache. Bernsy's
I'm not awake yet.
like, fuck this. Oh, look it. Now you can see how cam works.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pardon.
Hey, Xander, you're spinning Ken's bump stick.
What's wrong with you?
Everything, you know.
I was going to say, what's not?
That's a shorter list. Okay, so now that they're kind of freed up, you might be able to get those babies out of there.